Hello students, welcome to Prayesh YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject mathematics, and the topic is circle. So what exactly the circle, and their different terms are there, okay? So in a subunit, in this one, the radius, diameter, chord, center, circumference, exterior of circle and interior of the circle. These definitions we are going to see. So radius means what exactly? The radius is a line segment joining center of the circle and any point on a circle. Means suppose this is a circle, okay? So circle center is there. This is the one point, okay? Now this is a called a center, okay? Center of the circle, and this is a circle, okay? So any point on a circle, suppose this is a one point and this center, so line joining between the point on a circle and the center, now this is a called a radius, okay? So this is a radius. Now chord means any point on a circle, okay, and another point also a circle, or we can say two points on a circle, if they are joining and that they can make the segment, then this is called a chord, okay? So means two points on a circles that joining segment is called a chord. Then diameter. So diameter means a chord. Suppose this one chord, one point here and another point here. Suppose this chord is passing through the center of the circle. Now this point is on chord circle, and this point is also on a circle. Two point joining the line on a circles that called as a chord. But if the chord is passing through the center of the circle, or we can say that join with the center of the circle also, okay, in a straight line, okay, this is a chord, means straight line, then this chord is a, we can say this is the diameter. And then we can say diameter also a chord, and there is a information, a diameter is the longest chord of the circle, of course, because no any other line inside the circle, because if this is the point on a circle and this is also a point on circle, okay, after this one the chord length is getting reduced, okay, here also get reduced, means this is the longest chord, and means longest chord is equals to the diameter, okay, means we can say longest chord. Then a diameter is a twice the length of the radius, because yes, correct, because this line, or we can say the chord, is a joining with the center of the circle, and one point is on a circle, here also one point circle, means from here to the here, this is the radius, here also the radius, means now this is a two times of this radius additions, means we can say two times of the radius, okay, means we can say in another way diameter is a two times of the radius. So this is also the important statements, okay? Then interior of the circle, yes, this is a very important. Interior means inside, and exterior means outside. Now this outside means out of the circle, and inside means these are the inside. So the circle, this is the boundary of the circle, or we can say edge of the circles. So inside the circle means this one, means toward the center, okay? This side is called a interior, and opposite of the, or we can say outside of the circle, is called a exterior of the circle. Now circumference of the circle. So circumference means the length of the circular part of the circle is called a circumference, means suppose this is a circle, okay? Now if you start from this point, okay, and you're, if you measuring this line, okay, slowly means in a circular part, okay, this circular part, and this measurement up to the same point, so this length, okay, or we can say circular part, now this is a circumference of the circle. Then arc of the circle. So if any two points or more than 2 points, if we are saying these 2 points or the part or small piece of this circle, this is also arc, or this is also the arc. Or if any 2 points, now these 2 points are there, now they are breaking the circles in small pieces or bigger pieces, so that part of the circle is called the arc. Now these 2 points are breaking this circle in this one and this two, okay, this one part and this two part, okay, this two part means like this one, this is very bigger one, and this two one part is a smaller one, okay? So these are called the arc of the circle, means any 2 points on a circle divide circle into two parts, each small and the large part, means here the large part, here the small parts of the circumference is called arc of the circle. Name of an arc is written in three alphabets more times. Now here the three alphabets means suppose here a point, here B point. So if any point we are taking here the C, or here also anywhere, so now A, C and B, so we can say arc A, C and B. Likewise, so 3 points we are can show. If there is no any 3 point or small parts, we can directly show arc AB also, like this one. Okay, so O is the center of the circle. Okay, we are seeing this one segment OP. Now O and P, this is a segment, or we can say this is the radius, because this is joining to the center of the circle and the line, or we can say the point on a circle. So this line is called a radius. Then chord QP. Now QP, this is a 2 points on a circle joining, okay, but not a through the center. Okay, now this QP is a chord. Okay, if this is passing through the center of the circle, then that is a diameter. Likewise, here P and R is showing with a joining with a O, so this is a diameter. Then S and T point. Now S, this point, and T point, this is the interior, means inside the circle, so these are called a interior point. Okay, or we can say points in interior. And then M and N, so these are the points in exterior, because this is the outside of the circle. Then we can say the R, Q and P. So R, Q and P, these are the 3 points on the circle. So these are the on circle, these are the exterior, and these are the interior. Okay, then we are going to see some questions. So these are the some exam questions are with informative also, so please remember this one. So question number 1 is there: how many radii can be drawn into the circle? Radii means that is a plural form of the radius. So how many radiuses? Okay, so we can say many, because there are the on a circle. So this is a circle, suppose. So on a circle, the counting of the points are infinite, we don't know, so many points are there, and the center of the circle is only one. So line joining between center of the circle and any point on a circle, that is called a radius. Likewise, there are the many points, means we can draw many circles, that is a infinite circles. Okay, or we can infinite lines radius, so that is a many points, many radius we can draw. So option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 2, a circle has dash dash center, only one, means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 3, write the name of the point in the interior of the given circle. So interior means O and R are there, O and R, so means option number 4 is the correct, only interior asking. Now the longest chord of the circle is called, already we have seen longest chord of the circle is called diameter, means option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 5, if the radius of the circle is 0.07 centimeter, what will be the its diameter? We know the diameter is 2 times of the radius. Okay, now 2 multiplied by radius here 0.07. Okay, so 2 sevens is a 14. Now here the 2 digit we have to shift, so from here 1 and 2, so that will be the 0.14, and centimeter here, so here also the centimeter, so 0.14 centimeter, means option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 6, radius of the circle is 3 meter, diameter of is 6 centimeters. Now question number 6, radius of circle is 3 centimeter, diameter is 6 centimeter, then chord is 5 centimeter. Then what is the length of longest chord of the circle? Longest chord of the circle we know, which is a diameter. Okay, and diameter is a 6 centimeter. So this is a 6 centimeter length of the longest chord. Then question number 7, write the name of the arc in a given figure. So arc is here P and M. Okay, and then arc N, no, we could not be show the arc with a one single point, so this is incorrect way of the writing. Then arc MOP, no, center point is not shown in a arc, so this is the incorrect one. Then arc NOM, this is also the incorrect, because the center is mentioning. Then arc MNP, yes, this is the correct way, means 3 points are showing on a, which are having on the circle, so this is the correct way, means option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 8, in a given figure, a circle with center M and a circle with a center N, the radius of the circle with the center M is a 5, so this is a 5 centimeter. while the radius of the circle with the center n is a 2 centimeters. So this is a 2 centimeter. What will the length of the segment m and n? So this is the length of the segment we have to calculate. So means 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 is a 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters is given in option number 1. Then question number 9. Write the respective number of radii and number of diameter in a circle given alongside. So in this one, the number of radius. So this OA, OP, OR, OB, OQ. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 radii. Then number of diameters. So diameter means the chord means the straight line passing through the center of the circle and meeting on a centers any 2 points. So P and Q are the on circle 2 point, and it's passing through the O means center of the circle and in a straight line. So this is only one. So diameter is PQ is the only one. So means 5 and 1. So 5 and 1. No, this is incorrectly. 5 and 1 required means option number 2 is the correct one. Now, question number 10. In an adjoining circle, how many segments can be drawn by joining 2 points on a circumference only once? So from this one, how many segments? So A to P, A to R, A to Q means there are the 4 points, and every from the every points only three another joints 3 points we can draw. So in this way, total 4 points means 4 minus 1 is equals to 3, and 3 is triangular number. Where to find out means 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is a 6. Okay, 6 means option number 3 is a correct one. Thank you.